Hello everyone, my name is Siddhartha Sinha and I welcome all of you to Siddhartha Sinha Arts. And in this vlog I'm just going to show you something about this parcel which I had ordered. And I ordered it yesterday and today I had received it. I'm really excited to open this. And what's there inside, I will definitely tell you regarding this. Not now, of course. And also I have shared the link at the description regarding the video which I had done today. I have uploaded today. If you have seen the pop art which I did digitally, so if you haven't seen, go to the link and you will be able to watch it there itself. So let us first unbox this and then I will discuss something with you regarding that. Box from Amazon.in it was ordered. अभी ये क्या है ये देखने के लिए इसको मैं काट देता हूँ. Okay. Let's see. What is it? You might be thinking, अरे इनका parcel इनको ही पता नहीं है क्या अंदर. So there is nothing like that. I know very well what is there inside. Just I wanted to show it to all of you. And here it is. World War I. And it is written by Alan Kausil and illustrated by Lalit Kumar Sharma. And you can see it's a publication by Campfire. So it is an educational comic book where we will be able to get the knowledge about the First World War. And this is of approximately how many pages? Around, the page number is given as 109 pages. So 109 pages we can see, and it is a well established comic book. So this is this has won best graphic novel in the year 2014, as you can see. And you know what, I'm really interested to read comic book and novels generally, not the novel where we find only writings, but we don't find any form of drawing or illustration. So that is the reason I had ordered this book, because you know what, I also made my comic strips of pages, you can say. I will just show it to you, to all of you. I hope it will be justified. Generally I upload the videos related to all my drawings which I do generally. So if you can see, yes, so this is a comic strip which I made. My first comic pages which I made was this was the first one, Chicken Stories, where you can see this man going to a shop, and here it's written, check your luck, right? He says that, please come, please throw the disc, win. Yes sir, win the game. He says, please come here, you may win a diamond. And we can see in this panel that there is a diamond in the box. There are some other items as well. So the shopkeeper gives him, take it sir. He then waits eagerly what exactly his customer would do. All the very best sir. He wishes him best of luck, and then he is prepared to throw the disc, and here he throws the disc. It goes and it falls over this chicken, and he is very happy. Woohoo, I won the chicken. Now he is confused, because most of the people would be happy if they win the diamond, and he is happy because he has got the chicken. So at last, the humor I hope you can get It's winner winner chicken dinner. So this is one of the story which I created. It's a one-page story. Then it is another story of the same series, chicken stories. So I had uploaded it on my Facebook page. If you wish to see this, I can share the link in the description as well. Now, these are some of the story which I created. Here I had just thought that it's enough to make story with a chicken, so I ended this here itself. Now I don't have any other idea related to chicken, so definitely this story has been stopped here. Yes, now if I talk about this story, this one I seriously started with a motive to teach something to the students, right? So here what I did was I had introduced a boy named Kishan who goes to the school, and here his teacher Rajiv, Mr. Rajiv, and he teaches regarding soil. So I tried to create an educational comic, and yes, people really loved that. Few of the students had loved this. Now here you can see there's lots of writings and illustrations. Here I have also tried to show that the soil is very important for plants growth, and also it is a home for ants and earthworms. So I had drawn this so that any children who would read it, then it would be coming into their imagination. If anyone asks them that what is the importance of soil, they could easily recall this panel and they would be able to answer that question. Now this is a very silly question, of course. Everyone knows the importance nowadays. Now how the soils were formed. So this is a 3-panel where I drew, and I had tried to show that it was a rock previously. Now due to the natural effects like the sun rays, the wind blowing over it, the raindrops falling here, it had disturbed the bond of the atomic bond of the rock, and after many years it were broken, and further it was exposed to the natural effects and the natural processes, and later on this was the result, where trees were born, many trees and animals died, and it added nutrients to the soil. That's it. So this was the story which I had just thought, and I started to prepare it, as you can see here. So this story I had stopped in between, and there's nothing like that I don't have the idea or something. I have the idea now. I'm just thinking whether to convert this in digital form, or shall I convert it first manually and then I will convert that into digital form. So I'm a bit confused at this point of time. So I just thought that let me take a break, and therefore what I decided is to just follow or read someone else's story and gather some idea. Now I had ordered another graphic novel which will be arriving very soon, and I will unbox that too. So here you can see that World War I, and it's so realistic drawing, you can see here. So the expressions are so exaggerated expressions. They're carrying the guns with them. So it is showing the war scene, of course. Now from here maybe I will get some more idea about the First World War, and of course we know about it, right? It continued from to 1914 to 1918. Now how it happened, why did it happen? So here is the dramatic scene or sequences or panels which you can see here. So that could be really interesting, and if possible I will also draw some illustration out of it, and I will show it to you. So friends, that's all for today, and I will upload more videos on it. I hope you have liked it. Thank you very much.